Lumbini TV SD.
नमस्ते। यस हेरेर बस्नुभएका सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, अभिभावकज्यूहरू तथा दर्शकहरूमा म कालिका मानव ज्ञान माविको गणित शिक्षक गोविन्द प्रसाद पाण्डेको तर्फबाट यहाँहरूलाई हार्दिक स्वागत गर्दछु। र आज हामीले कक्षा 9 र 10 सँग रिलेटेड यो सेट समूह को बारेमा म अध्यापन गर्न गइरहेको छु। सो स्टुडेन्ट, यु आर फुल्ली युटिलाइज दिस period and you have to take out all the material. Okay, I am going to start. Okay, yes. Okay, class 9. Actually, these topics is related with 9 and 10 both. So, class 9 and a subject compulsory math, C math, and unit first, that is set. Okay, for the 9 class, set is from class 4 to class 10, 11 also, but for the 9 class, the related terms of the sets I am going to discuss, that is cardinal number of set. First of all, you have to know the cardinal number of set. Cardinal number of set. What do you mean by cardinal number of set? Total number of element in a set is called the cardinal number of set. Total number of element in a set, in a given set, is called the cardinal number of set. Total number of element a set in a set is called cardinal number of set. And it is total number of elements in a set is called the cardinal number of set. For example, e.g., if A is equal to suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then in set A there are 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the cardinal set A, n A, which is denoted by n means cardinal number. So, n means cardinal number, A means set A set को cardinal number कति छ त? Yes, n A is equal to, we have written 5, being total element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, n A is equal to 5. Similarly, if B is equal to set B is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, so on, then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements are there. So, the cardinal number of set B, n B is equal to 6. It is known as the cardinal number of set. Now, after cardinal number, we have to know the some terms, terminology and their notation. If A and B are the subset of universal set, then what is n only A? How we denote only A in a set? Only B, n not of B, how we will denote? And n mean cardinal number of A, both mean what is, how we will denote, that we are going to discuss about it. Students, are you clear? I hope you have clearly understand. Okay, now next. Terminology. terminology and its notation, set notation, set symbol, set symbol, terminology, terminology in Nepali Padavali, terminology and how we will write in set symbol. Number one, n means cardinal number of only A written here, only A. It means how many students pass only mathematics. Then it is denoted by the symbol is n not of A. It is known as cardinal terminology and their set symbol n. Similarly, number two, n only B, it is done by n not of B. यो नट सानो थोप्रो दिएँ मैले, यसलाई हामीले only A को लागि जनाउँछौँ. It means the number of students who pass mathematics not in science, that is known as the only A, only B. Similarly, number third, cardinal number of at least A, at least. How many students pass at least math, at least one subject, at least one subject. It is denoted by at least mean कम्तीमा पनि एउटा means maximum. It may 2 or 3. We are discussing about only 2 sets. So if number n at least one subject mean n A union B. It is also known as or n A or B or both. Either A or B or both mean also it is n A union B. Similarly, number 4, n both. Both means how many students pass in both subjects, how we denote in set symbol. N both mean n A intersection B. Now, we have discussed about n only one. Number 5, n only one. In 2 sets, how many students pass only one subject? Not at least, only one subject, only math plus only science. It is denoted by n not of A plus n not of B. You have to understand properly this symbol, you have to learn properly. Hey. So, n only one mean n not of A plus n not of B. Now, how many students did not pass in both subject? Did not, don't like both. Negative sense means number 6, n don't like both. It means don't like both. Negative sense comes means you have to set symbol, you have to write union को complement हुन्छ है, n A union B whole complement, n A union B whole complement, they are the set symbol. Similarly, अब धेरै पटक स्टुडेन्टहरूले झुक्किने भनेको at least, at most भनेर क्वेसन सोध्छ, तर स्टुडेन्टहरूले त्यसको मिनिङ बुझ्दैन, सेट सिम्बल के हो त्यो बुझ्दैन. त्यही भएर फर्स्ट अफ अल in 9th class you have to know this terminology and set symbol properly. Lastly, n at most one subject, at most one. एट मोस्ट मिन बढीमा एउटा सब्जेक्ट भनेको एउटाभन्दा बढी हुनै भएन। हाउ मेनी स्टुडेन्ट पास एट मोस्ट वान सब्जेक्ट भनेको बढीमा एउटा सब्जेक्ट। यसको मिनिङ हुन्छ, यसको सेट सिम्बल यान नट अफ ए प्लस यान नट अफ बी प्लस यान ए युनियन बी होल कम्प्लिमेन्ट। इट मिन्स एक्सेप्ट यान ए इंटरसेक्शन बी in two set. Okay, these are the terms terminology and set symbol we have discussed. Terminology means पदावली, set में discuss यसरी हाम्रो set में भाषा में दिएको हुन्छ। त्यसको symbol के ले जनाइन्छ, symbol में के ले जनाइन्छ, यसको बारेमा विद्यार्थीहरूले राम्रोसँग अध्ययन गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। ल विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, हजुरहरूले 1 मिनेट यो सार्न सक्नुहुन्छ। अब फेरि यही सेट सिम्बललाई नै हामी पुनः सेट सिम्बललाई हाउ वी विल फिल अप इन भेन डायग्राम। सेट सिम्बललाई सेटको यो सिम्बलहरूलाई हामीले अब भेन डायग्राममा कसरी देखाउँछौँ त है। इट इज भेरी इसेन्सियल इन म्याथमेटिक्स सेट सिम्बल एन्ड हाउ टु फिल अप इन द भेन डायग्राम फर द सेट सिम्बल। ओके, वी आर गोइङ टु डिस्कस। ल मैले यो सेट सिम्बललाई जस्तोको तस्तै राखेँ। अब I am going to discuss about the Venn diagram. Now I am going to discuss about the how to fill up this set symbol in a Venn diagram. We are discussing about only two sets. Venn diagram using two sets. Okay. Now in two set A and B, if A and B are the subset of universal set U, then now I am going to represent this n naught of A, n naught of B, n A union B, n A union B, n A intersection B, n naught of A plus n naught of B, which parts n A union B whole complement, which parts denotes. These things we are going to discuss in the Venn diagram. Let's see how to draw the Venn diagram. This rectangle, it is for universal set. Universal set is the biggest set. All the sets contain in U. So, it is universal set. So, we have discussed there are two sets A and B, set A and set B. They are overlapping set. Overlapping means they have common element. Common element are there. So, I have written here set A and here set B. Then n naught of A. n naught of A means which is only in A, not in B. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू n naught of A भनेको A मा मात्रै भएको जुन B मा छैन. So it is known as n naught of A. This portion is known as n naught of A. n naught of A. ल. Similarly, n naught of B means this portion is n naught of B. I have represented by shading n naught of B. I have represented by shading n naught of B. Then n A means this whole portion. This whole portion is known as n A, and this whole portion is known as n B. Similarly, this middle, this is the common parts. Common parts is denoted by intersection n A intersection B. It is denoted by this symbol n A intersection B. Now n naught of A plus n naught of B means this plus n A intersection B becomes the n A union B. n A union B. A union B means this portion plus this portion plus this portion. There are two methods of solving finding n A union B. n naught of A plus n naught of B plus n A intersection B also will be. If we have written from n A n B, then n A plus n B, this part is overlapping two times, so we have to subtract one time. So this outer parts except A union B, it is known as this outer parts. यो बाहिरको भाग हो, यो NU भयो, अनि यो except A union B, it is denoted by n A union B whole complement. Mean does not like any subject, do not read both subject, isn't it? यस्तो चिजहरू हामीले एक्सेप्ट ए युनियन बी बाहेकको हामी बाहिर बढ्छौँ। यसरी हामीले भेन डायग्राममा रिप्रेजेन्टेसन गऱ्यौँ। ल अब वी आर गोइङ टु डिस्कस हाउ वी गट द फर्मुला हैन। सेट टु भेन डायग्राम क्वेसन can be solved by using Venn diagram. There are two methods of solving the Venn diagram. One is using formula, another by supposing x to the unknown quantity. Okay. Now, before learning the word problem, we have to know some formula about the set. Student, did you write? I hope you have already written. Again, I will rewrite the Venn diagram to derive the formula. It is a rectangular axis, set A and set B, and A set and B set. This set A, cardinal number, total number of elements in set A, n A is denoted by n A this way, and similarly this n B, cardinal number of B set n B. It is n B, then it is n A intersection B. This portion is known as n A intersection B. This outer part is denoted by n A union B whole complement. Similarly, this portion is known as n naught of A, and this portion is known as n naught of B. We have already discussed. Now, how we will get the formula? We are going to discuss about it. Now, what do you mean by n A union B? Cardinal number of A union B, how we will get the formula? n A union B. A union B. Union means either A or B or both. I have already said. n A union B भनेको त मैले पहिले नै भनिसकेँ. Either A or B or both लाई हामीले युनियन भन्छौँ. This portion plus this portion is whole portion means union. n A union B. So, if I have written from n A and n B from I have written mean n A mean this whole portion, n B mean this whole portion, then this portion is n A intersection B is repeated 2 times. So, we have to subtract it. So, the formula number formula we got n A union B is equal to n A plus n B. If A and B are disjoint set, n A union B is equal to n A plus n B only will be. But I have written here overlapping set. Overlapping means they have common element. So, in common element, n A means this whole portion, this whole, n B means this whole portion, this middle parts, intersection parts is repeated. So, you have to subtract 1 time. So, minus n A intersection B, one formula we got. n A union B. Similarly, n A union B, another formula also will be. Let us see. N A union B is equal to. Now, let us derive the formula from taking only A and only B from. N naught of A means this portion only, this portion. N naught of B means this portion, and middle portion is also remains. So, you have to add the middle portion also. So, n A union B is equal to n naught of A plus n naught of B plus n A intersection B. Yeah, मैले subtract गरेँ. यहाँ I have added. Why I have added here? This n naught of A mean only A, n naught of B mean only B. Only A plus only B mean this portion n A intersection B has not appeared. So, I have to add n A intersection B. Here I have substituted n A intersection B being n A mean this whole portion, n B mean this whole portion, n A, n B mean this portion, this middle portion, this intersection portion is repeated 2 times. So, I have to subtract n A intersection B. Similarly, third formula from same formula n A union B, another formula also will be total minus complement. Total mean in a total n U minus n A union B whole complement. This is also n A union B. So we have written three formula of n A union B, n A plus n B minus n A intersection B. Another n A union B is equal to n A plus n B plus n A intersection B. Here I have subtracted, here I have added. Similarly, n union B means n U minus n A union B whole complement. How we got this formula? Total student minus number of students who failed. If you subtract, mean we get the number. We will get the number of students. Past student, number of past students will get n A union B means number of past students. So this way we have formula we got n A union B. Similarly, how we will get the n U? N U, what will be the formula of n U? N U mean union plus complement is called the n U. So number 4, n U is equal to n A union B plus n A union B whole complement. Mean number of students who pass in, number of students pass student plus fail student is equal to total student. Sometimes n U and n A union B will be same. When n U is equal to n A union B, n U is equal to n A union B also will be. In which case it will be? Every student pass, there is no fail student, mean n U and n A union B will be same. If n A union B whole complement is not given 0, there is no fail student. At that time, n U and n A union B will be same. Okay. We have discussed about the formula also. Now, after this, we are going to discuss about the word problem question directly. Now comes to exercise word problem. Word problem, one question I will write with symbol, set symbol. First question. ल विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु यो फर्मुला कसरी भयो यो राम्रोसँग बुझ्नु होला, बुझ्ने प्रयास गर्नुहोस्. I am going to rough this. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the problem. If one symbol problem first, then verbal problem. Problem number 1, if n U is equal to 100, n A is equal to n mean cardinal number of A set is equal to suppose 60 and n B is equal to suppose 70, then one question intersection is given, another will it will give the complement. Intersection दिएको पहिला गरौँ. n A intersection B is equal to 40, then find n A union B complement using formula, using Venn diagram. It's our problem, symbol problem. So n U is given 100, total number of students is equal to 100. n A means suppose the number of students who pass in mathematics, that is 60 students pass mathematics. n B means 70 means suppose the number of students who pass in science, and 40 means n A intersection B mean in set symbol n A intersection B it is written, and S को meaning हुन्छ how many students pass in, number of students pass in both subject भनेर 40 दियो भने त्यसलाई intersection भन्छ. Similarly, find n A union B whole complement. n A union B whole complement means set language मा, question को language मा यसलाई how many students fail in both subject भन्यो भने यसलाई हामीले n A union B भन्छौँ. By using Venn diagram, there are two methods of solving the word problem question, problem of sets question. One is by using formula, another is using Venn diagram. First we are going to discuss using Venn diagram. Okay, solution. First of all, given information you have to write properly. Solution here, by writing here, n U equals to 100, n A equals to 60, NB equals to 70, NA intersection B equals to 40, then NA union B whole complement is equal to question marks. Now using Venn diagram, now let us use the Venn diagram. Using Venn diagram, let us draw the Venn diagram. We have discussed about the set, symbol and formula also. First of all, we are going to find the NA union B whole complement by supposing X. Okay, first NU equals to 100, this way you have to write 100, NA, this is A set and this is for B set, A and B. There are two sets and there is common element, so I have intersected. Common element दिएको हुनाले यसलाई मैले के गरेँ त overlapping set बनाएँ, intersecting गरेँ. Now let us fill up. NA is equal to 60 means NU is equal to 100. I have already filled up. NA equals to 60. NA 60. It is given 60. NA is equal to 60. This means A means this whole portion. Whole portion is 60 means you are not allowed to write here 60. It is wrong. This way you are not allowed to write this way 60. Being it is denoted N naught of A, only A. 10 students pass math but not science भनेको भयो यसरी हामीले 60 students pass math but not science means this way we have to fill up है यसरी लेख्नु मिल्थ्यो अहिले मिल्दैन. Then NA equals to 60. If you write NA is equal to 60 by symbolizing, then this way you have to give the arrow, then you have to write NA equals to 60. And it is also given NB is equal to 70. NB means this whole portion. This also you are not allowed to fill up inside. Being NB means this whole portion means this way you have to write NB equals to, it is given 70. Similarly, NA intersection B is equal to 40 given. This you can fill up inside. ल अब इंटरसेक्सन दियो भने जहिले पनि विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु इंटरसेक्सन दियो भने जहिले पनि फर्स्टमा इंटरसेक्सन फिल अप गर्नुहोस्. NA intersection B is equal to 40. This you can fill up this way. Now let us see how we can find the N naught of A. अब N naught of A कसरी निकाल्ने त? ल this portion plus this portion plus this portion plus out portion is equal to total will be. So let us find this portion. How we will find the N naught of A, only A? How many students pass only mathematics when यो portion निकाल्नु पर्यो? यो कसरी निकाल्न सकिन्छ? Total portion is equal to 60. NA is 60. Out of 60, 40 is already appeared. 40 is already pack up. Yeah, we have already written. So 60 minus 40 is equal to 20. 60 minus 40 equals to 20. Similarly, let us see this. Now let us go N naught of B. N naught of B, total B 70. 70 में 40 त आइसक्यो भनेपछि 70 minus 40 is equal to 30. This you can write directly also. This you can write directly also without writing this 40, 60 minus 40, 70 minus 40, without writing directly also you can fill up, being 20 plus 40 is equal to 60. Similarly, 40 plus 30 is equal to 70. Now we are going to find NA union B whole complement. Complement means this portion. How to find this portion? This portion plus this portion plus this portion plus complement is equal to total. So unknown quantity supposing by supposing X we will find it. Let N A union B whole complement be X. We have written here X. Then using Venn diagram, now write using Venn diagram. Today I am discussing about the only using Venn diagram, not using formula. Using Venn diagram, let us see 20 plus 40 plus 30 plus X is equal to total. Means N naught of, sorry, no need to write formula, direct we can fill out 20 plus 40 plus 30 plus x equals to NU. Did you understand? Yes. Next step are 20 plus 40, 60, 60 plus 30, 90. 90 plus x equals to NU is equal to 100 given. So, 100 or x equals to 100 minus 90 equals to 100 minus 90 equals to 10. Therefore, I will write offside. Let us see, 100 minus 90 equals to 10. Therefore, N A union B whole complement is equal to 10. The first question we have attempt. I think student you are properly understand. Now let us go to second question. Second question belongs to word problem question. ल यसमा हामीलाई के दियो, इन्टरसेक्सन दियो, हामी कम्प्लिमेन्ट निकाल्यौं. अब हामीले कम्प्लिमेन्ट दियो, अब हामी इन्टरसेक्सन निकाल्छौं. कम्प्लिमेन्ट दिएर कसरी इन्टरसेक्सन निकाल्ने? ल आई विल राइट द नेक्स्ट क्वेसन नाउ. आई थिंक विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु हजुरहरुले सायद यो सारिसक्नु भएको होला. नसारेको भए ल सार्नुहोस् 1 मिनेट. Okay, I am going to write next question, word problem question. In a survey of 350 students, 200 like to visit 200 like to visit Pokhara, comma 220 like to visit Lumbini. Similarly, now यसमा हामीलाई के दिएको थियो, इन्टरसेक्सन दिएको थियो, हामी कम्प्लिमेन्ट फाइन्ड आउट गर्यौं. अब हामी कम्प्लिमेन्ट दियो, इन्टरसेक्सन कसरी निकाल्ने? कम्प्लिमेन्ट मीन डू नट लाइक, डोन्ट लाइक, नेगेटिभ सेन्स. सो लेट अस राइट 50 student students do not like to visit both places. Do not like to visit both places. Then find the number of students who like to visit both places by using Venn diagram. Then find the number of students who like to visit both places using Venn diagram. It is the word problem question of two Venn diagrams. So here it is given in a survey of 350 people, mean this is total number of students which is done by NU. Similarly, 200 like to visit Pokhara. Let us see 200 students like to visit Pokhara. Similarly, 220 like to visit Lumbini, and 50 students do not like to visit both places. They do not like to visit both places. They do not like either to go Pokhara nor Lumbini. So find the number of students number of students who like to visit both the place. Do not like negative sense comes mean that is you have to find the complement. ल यो हाम्रो क्वेसन भयो. अब यो क्वेसनलाई हामी के गर्नुपर्छ, यसलाई डिस्क्राइब गर्नु पर्यो. हाउ टु डिस्क्राइब इट. ल यसलाई डिस्क्राइब गर्नको निम्ति पोखरालाई डिनोट सपोज बाई P and P and Lumbini L we will denote by symbol. So S1 in the Venn diagram, by using Venn diagram mean we will solve the word problem by using Venn diagram. So you have to write S1 in the Venn diagram, comma, let Pokhara denoted by P and Lumbini denoted by L. Let P and L represent what is this? Set of students. So P denoted for P is one set, another set of will denoted by L. P mean Pokhara and L mean Lumbini. P and L represent the set of students who like to visit Pokhara and Lumbini respectively. This way I have written this language we have denoted by P and L. So this information, now let us write the information in set symbol. Here by writing here NU equals to, now let us write in set symbol NU equals to 350, it is given to us, and number of students who like to visit Pokhara is equals to 200, that is denoted by NP. So NP equals to 200 like to visit Pokhara. Similarly 220 like to visit Lumbini, which is done by NL equals to 220 like to visit Lumbini. Similarly 50 students, it is 50 students don't like to visit both place. Don't like to visit both place means, it means complement. Negative sense means complement. N P union L whole complement is equal to 50. Then represent the above information in a Venn diagram and how many students like to visit both place. How many students like to visit both place? Both mean in set terminology P A both, N both means N A intersection B. So here we will write N P intersection L equals to question marks. This information we have written in set symbol. Now let us fill this information, these set symbols in a Venn diagram. Now you see in Venn diagram how to fill up this set symbol in a Venn diagram. NU equals to, it is given to us 350, and P Pokhara, the number of students who visit Pokhara denoted by P. Similarly, the number of students who visit Lumbini, which is denoted by L. Now let us fill up. First of all, you have to intersection, you have to fill up. It is not given to us. I am discussing this Venn diagram using supposing X, not using formula. First supposing X, then only using formula we will discuss. Then at first you have to fill up the number of students who visit both place, that is unknown quantity. N P intersection L is not given. Suppose it is denoted by X. यहाँबाट हामी सुरु गर्छौं. Let N P intersection L be X. Then be X. Okay, विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु, म माथिको क्वेशन मेटाउँछु. यसपछि ल हेर्नुस्, अब कसरी फिलअप गर्ने. म क्वेशन मेटे. हामीसँग सिम्बल यही छ, सेट सिम्बलमा म लेखिसकेको छु. Now I'll write offside, you see. NP means this total portion is equals to 200 is given to us. NP is equal to 200. This we can do by symbolizing also NP this way by giving arrow NP equals to 200. It means this total 200 मा त हाम्रो P intersection L त आइसक्यो भने we have to find the N naught of P. We have to find how to find N naught of P. This whole portion minus this X intersection portion is equal to N naught of P. It means total portion is equal to 200. 200 minus X is equal to N naught of P. So you have to subtract 200 minus X. Similarly, NL is equal to 220 is given. This total portion is equal to 220. 220 this total portion is equal to 220. 220 out of 220 X is already present. So you have to find N naught of L. N naught of L. How to find the N naught of L? This portion is known as N naught of L. This total portion minus this X is equal to N naught of L. Means total is equal to NL is equal to, it is given number of students who visit Lumbini is equal to 220 given. So here we have to write 220. So 220 minus X is equal to N naught of L. Now number of students who do not visit both places is equal to 50, that is in complement, whole complement. So you have to write here 50. Now all the portion we have pack up, all we have fill up. You see N naught of P also we have fill up, N naught of L also we have got, and N P intersection L is equal to X we have already supposed, and N P union L whole complement is equal to 50 given. So I am using formula, I am using supposing X, I am solving the question supposing X. So you have to write here using Venn diagram, Let us see this person plus this person plus this person plus this person is equal to total. So you can write 200 minus X plus 220 minus X plus N P union L whole complement. N P union L whole complement is 50 equals to total NU. Student, you see this person plus this person plus this person plus this person is equal to total will be total. Now let us solve it. X cancel plus X minus X, or 200 plus 220 plus 50. 200 plus 220 420, 420 plus 50 470. 470 minus X equals to NU is equal to, here given 350. So 350. Now let us find X, the value of X, or 470 minus 350 equals to X. Therefore, X equals to 100, I think 20. It means 120 student. Therefore, 120 student means X means 120 student we got, that is P intersection L. Therefore, 120 student visit both the place. Therefore, 120 student visit both place. This way we have find the N P intersection L intersection पनि हामी निकाल्यौं ल। अब हामीसँग नेक्स्ट क्वेशन, फर्स्ट क्वेशन हामी कम्प्लिमेन्ट निकाल्यौं, इंटरसेक्शन दिएको। सेकेन्ड क्वेशन हामी इंटरसेक्शन निकाल्यौं, कम्प्लिमेन्ट दिएको। अब थर्डमा जाउँ, ओन्ली दिएको क्वेशन है। अब कसरी यो ओन्लीलाई हामी ओन्ली दियो भने सेटको भाषामा ओन्ली भनेको के हो त, कसरी हामीले फिलअप गर्ने त, त्यसको त्यो क्वेशन हामी गर्दैछौँ। अब आई थिंक स्टुडेन्ट यु हेभ अलरेडी रिटन दिस। ल Now let us see the next question. Now we are going to discuss only given question. Only means 50 students pass mathematics but not science, mean that is only mathematics, and that directly we will fill up in the Venn diagram. You are not allowed to substitute it. So, out of 250 students, I will write the question first of all. 250 students, 250 students in a group were asked whether they like mango or apple. Whether they like mango or apple. Whether they like mango or apple. Now information it will give 80 students. 80 students like mango but not apple. Like mango but not apple. But not apple. Similarly, 60 like apple, 60 student, 60 like apple but not mango. Fifty students don't like both the fruits. 60 students and 60 students don't like both types of fruits, like both types of fruits. Then number 1, represent the above information in a Venn diagram. Represent the above information in a Venn diagram. And number 2, next. Number 2, find the ratio of the student who like mango to the student who like apple. La ratio दियो अब. Number 2, find the ratio the student. Find the ratio of the student who like mango to the student who like apple. It is our question. Now it is asking to us, find the ratio of the student who like mango to the student who like apple, mean n_m upon n_p. Number of students who like mango to the student who like apple, mean we have to find the ratio. So you have to find n_m and n_p, then find the ratio means fractional form. Find the number of students who like mango to the student who like apple, mean we have to find n_m, number of students who like mango to the student who like apple, mean apple A. This we have to find. So to find this, what is given information? Let's see. First of all, 250 students in a group were asked whether they like mango or apple. Means there are 250 students, total students. Out of 250 students, 80 students like mango but not apple, mean 80 students like mango but not apple, mean but not mean they like only mango. They like only mango, not the apple. 60 like apple but not mango, mean only apple. And 60 students don't like both types of fruits, mean that is complement. 60 students don't like 50 students 50 students don't like both types of fruit, then represent the above information in a Venn diagram. Find the ratio of the student who like mango to the student who like apple. Let's see how to do. I will write directly. I will write the first directly. I will write the information only here. You have to write let M and A represent the set of people who like mango and apple respectively. You have to write, but I will write here information only. I will write NU total student is equal to 250, and the number of students who like mango but not apple means only mango. Only mango is denoted by insert symbol N naught of M is equal to 80. Similarly, 60 students like apple but not mango mean N naught of A is equal to 60. Similarly, 50 students don't like both types of fruits mean N M union A whole complement is equal to 50, and it is asking to us to find the ratio of the student who like mango to the student who like apple mean N M upon N A equals to question marks. Now let's see how to fill up this in a Venn diagram. Let us fill up this information, this symbol in a Venn diagram. NU equals to 250 students are there. M represent for mango and A represent for apple. M and A. And it is given to us 80 students like mango but not apple mean only mango. Only mango mean this portion only, not whole portion. So you are not allowed this way. You are not allowed to write this in this symbol M is equal to 80. It is totally wrong. So you should not write this way. So N naught of M is given only mango. 80 students like only mango mean here directly you have to fill up 80. Similarly, 60 students like apple but not mango mean that is also N naught of A 60, and it is given to us number of students who don't like both types of fruits is equal to 50. So that is don't like, dislike, that is complement, that is we will fill up here 50. Now it is remaining portion is equal to N M intersection A. Suppose it is X, let N M intersection X, M intersection A be X. May I rub question? Okay. Now let N M intersection A be X. Then from the above Venn diagram, let us fill up all the portion 80 plus X plus 60 plus 50 equals to total is equal to 250. Now you see 80 plus 60 140, 80 plus 60 is 140, 140 plus 50 190, 250, then X plus 190 or equals to 250. Therefore, X is equals to 250 minus 190 equals to 190. 250 minus 190 is equal to 60. Now we got the number of students who like both types of fruits. We got. Now to find the NM we have to find the ratio of the student who like math to the student who like apple. So you have to find first NM and NA. NM mean this whole portion, NA mean this whole portion. Now you have to find NM. Now NM is equal to, let's see, NM means 80 plus X. 80 plus X equals to 80 plus 60 equals to 140. Similarly, you have to find NA. Now also NA equals to X plus 60. X we got 60 plus 60 equals to 120. Now required ratio. Now NM upon NA equals to 140 upon 120. Ratio in lowest form, so you have to cut it. 2 7 ja 2 6 ja is equal to 7:6. Therefore, required ratio is equal to, therefore, required ratio is 7:6. Answer. Okay, विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, यसरी म आज करिब करिब 4वटा टाइपको क्वेसनहरू भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई अध्यापन गराएँ र यसरी हामीसँग करिब करिब 7वटा 8वटा टाइपको क्वेसनहरू हुने गर्छ। नेक्स्ट क्लासमा पुनः अन्य क्वेसनहरू, अन्य टाइपको क्वेसनहरू गराउने नै छु भन्दै प्राविधिक मित्रलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिँदै म यहाँबाट ओजेल पर्छु। हस्त धन्यवाद। यसरी म आज करिब करिब 4वटा टाइपको क्वेसनहरू
Lumbini TV SD.
Checking. सुरु गरौँ।
Sure, Pity Miss.
कस्तो गर्मी